There are a couple tokens that we talked about a few months ago that perform pretty well, that have a strong foundation, a strong basis to then eventually break out once alt season happens. One of the ones that we talked about was DeFi over here. They also have the tag at DeFi, which is pretty huge by itself. And while the market was somewhat rough over the past week, since yesterday we are recovering quite a lot. It's going back up from the bottom, so I thought I would show you guys why I'm getting into DeFi again, why this has the 10x potential, and why the market cap of about $3 million right now, this is definitely undervalued compared to not just other projects in the industry, but also to the potential that it has long term. Now for DeFi, it is backed by ConsenSys, 21 shares, OKX, and a couple more. Was founded in 2020, so over 5 years ago at this point. And it's the Web3 AI super app that is not just reaching more and more people with the interviews that they do, with some big KOLs out there, as well as, for example, the business developer of PancakeSwap, but also the fact that it has a couple interesting things built into the app that you might want to use on a day-to-day basis. Now they are backed by a lot of different people in the industry. You probably heard about at least, would even say almost all of them, as they are some of the biggest players in there, including Shima Capital, ConsenSys, Hubi, De Finance, NGC, OKX, and a lot more, with some of the angel investors being the former Binance chain director, the Coinbase M&A and Ventures, head of institution at Polygon, and more expertise in here. The token as well is listed on I think about 17 different exchanges at this stage, with Bybit, Gate, Maxi, KuCoin, just to name a few, but as you can tell there are multiple pages down here alone. And with the exchanges that I just mentioned also being the exchange investors behind it, they already positioned themselves well in the industry. Also during the conference that they had at DeFi World 2024 at the end of last year, they not just had over 70 speakers I think in total and over 1,000 people attending it, but also various different people from every type of field within crypto being present and talking on stage. So when it comes to connections alone, and based on people that I follow following them, they're already at a pretty good point in the industry. Now, that being said, which I also mentioned in other videos before that we had on DeFi, Donald Trump Jr., you might recognize that name, the co-founder of the World Liberty Fund, also tweeted that he was looking forward to speak at the DeFi World 2025 conference in February 26th earlier this year, and with the World Liberty Fund building the future of finance, that alone is a pretty big partnership. They also announced the partnership with the DeFi token and the American Institute, which means once more and more people know about that, plus alt season starts, we will probably not sit at a market cap of 3 mil, but closer to 30 mil or 300 mil, as that can easily be reached. Plus considering, if we go to like page 6 in crypto, and we pick something somewhat random, for example, we haven't played Axie Infinity in probably 5 years at this stage, their SLPs are still worth 55 million. So if that is worth 55 mil, then DeFi, based on the partnerships they have, the exchange listings they have, and the connections in the industry, and all the announcements they had for October this year, are probably going to lead the price to go up a little bit higher than that. And if we know that, that's America, it's the American institution, and Donald Trump Jr. is mentioned down there, it probably has something to do with Trump and Trump Jr., as they already partnered and talked about it publicly in the past, and also moved toward a future that is more and more crypto based. With the fact that they were also featured at the US Congress session, they say they take DeFi now to the next level by bringing real world utility. So if we look at current price compared to what it can go to, 30 mil should be like an easy target to reach. And I always like to think for any type of altcoin compared to some of the layer 1 coins as well as Bitcoin, if you want to double your money in Bitcoin, this needs another $2.23 trillion to get invested into right now. Because if the market cap doubles, your investment in that at the current price also doubles. This needs 3 million. What is more likely, that this gets 3 million or that this one gets 2.2 trillion? Long term, I think this is going to happen for sure. Short term, 3 million is pretty much nothing in crypto. So there's a good chance that not just 3 million goes in, but probably 30, if not more. But then again, crypto is all about risk to reward, buying something short term or long term. And if you want to get in at 1738 and you're like, hey, what's up, hello, I would like to get a bag of that, then I will have links to everything down below. Obviously, buy whatever you like, it's your money. Just saying, based on all the things that we saw, 3 million is 100% undervalued, even just based on listings alone. I also have a couple other videos on DeFi on the channel where we get more into detail on the site itself, which is de.fi. Pretty strong domain that way, what the token is for, everything that they track, from contracts to $500 billion alone on different networks and tokens and protocols. It's pretty big. And with that being said, you're probably going to hear about them a lot more, especially in 2 weeks from now on October 13th. And we'll see and can compare current price to price in the future. Links down below. You know it's not financial advice. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.